Hello and welcome to Work Smart Essentials. In this video, we will look into how to apply HLOOKUP on a data. We have already looked into VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. You can find the link in the description. So before we start HLOOKUP, please do subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's quickly jump in. So what data do we have here? See, at HLOOKUP, we have the products, that is laptop, mobile, tablet, monitor, and keyboard. And we have the month-wise data of their sales. Okay. Now, how do we apply HLOOKUP? For example, I want to know what is the total sales for the month of March. So in normal case, without the formula, you'll have to go through the complete table array and find that the total of March month is 112400. Right? Now, rather than this thing, since this is a small table, it might not look that way, but we generally deal in large datas. So how do we apply HLOOKUP to find out this total? So let's quickly see it. So equal to H lookup, the lookup value. What do we want to look up? We want to look up March, and we will freeze this particular cell. Okay. Next, we want to mention the table array, the complete table that we are dealing in. So product till this. See, complete table is selected. Next, what row index do we want? Which row do we want? We want the seventh row. Seventh row because seventh row is for the total. So 7. And we want a exact match. So we will type 0 and we will close this. So see, here comes 112400 as per our formula. Okay, so difference between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP is it deals with the data VLOOKUP deals with the data vertically, and this particular thing deals with it in terms of rows. So that this is the major difference that comes up with between these two formulas. So in case we change the month, example Jan. So see, the number automatically changes to 111500, right? So that means our formula is working. So now we will see in the month May, what is the sales for every product. Okay, so let's see how do we do it. H lookup value is the month of May. Next, table array. So we will select the complete table as we previously did. Next, row index number, it is 2 comma 0 for the exact match. Okay, because laptop is in the second row. So that's it. Our formula is here. Now we'll freeze certain cells because we need to drag this formula, right? So lookup value is freezed because it remains same. The table array would also remain the same. The table array will not be changed. Now 2 is right here, and okay, that's the formula is correct. Now when we drag, you will see that every number is coming up same. So we will have to change this to now mobile is in the third row. Same way we have to change. Okay, tablet is in fourth row. Same way we have to change again, right? Monitor is in the fifth. Keyboard is in the sixth, and the total is in 7. Okay, that's the way. See, the data is completely ready. So I hope you have understood what HLOOKUP is and how it is different from VLOOKUP. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel before you leave. Thank you so much. Bye.